All right, everybody, this is another platform tutorial, and this is one that I have not heard of, I am not familiar with, or anything else like that. So navigating around this website is a little bit tricky for me. Didn't spend as much time on it as I had the other ones because I'm not sure how well I like it yet. So there are just some more things that I need to get familiar with and play around with. However, when watching the video at the very beginning of the website, it does seem like it would have a lot of great benefits for both in-school learning as well as remote learning, if that would be a way that we would go again this year. There are interactive lessons that the teachers create, the students go off of, and then if they're at home, the parents can help them with that as well. So if the kids have to be out for an extended period of time, this seems like it would be a good choice as far as getting everybody involved as well. One of the good things that a lot of people had to say were there are actual templates that the teachers can create their lessons off of. One of the things that I really liked over here, it was the pop activities, and you can choose a prompt that you want to go off of. So when it loads the beginning of class, so it just gives you, when the students come in, you can have this up on the board ready for them to start their day. What do you wonder about today's topic? So we could create their own topic on the board and then give them time to think about it. And then, like if we did homework the night before, they could write what they remember from the homework. And then it also comes into the social emotional skills of it. So this would be the code that I would share with my students, but drag a dot to how you are feeling. And so this would be a good way to check in with your students to see how they are going through their lesson. If you are remote, they would be able to let you know that, hey, I'm a little bit confused and I need some help with that. So let's see here if I can get back out of this. And so I can just go ahead and end that presentation right there. And like I said, it's a little bit, there we go. Okay, and once you end your sessions, it will tell you what you did. So I did a session today at 10:29, and what it was a pop-up activity, and they were able to tell me how they were feeling about their homework. You can also create a vocabulary list. So say you are doing an assignment over volcanoes, you can create different terms and their definitions, and then you can play a game that's called Flashcard Factory. So like I said, I'm not super familiar with this one. It does seem like, though, when getting familiar with it, you would really be able to get your students interacting with it, and it would be a good way for them to interact with each other and interact with you. One of the things that I did like about it was they said when you are teaching, students can ask questions in real time, or if they give an answer, they'll get their feedback right away. So they don't have to wait for you to grade something. They're getting that feedback instantly. So this would maybe be one that it would take me a little bit longer to, like I said, get familiar with it, and I don't know how much I would utilize it, but I do think that familiarizing yourself with it, it could end up being a great tool.